Well, we're just waking up here in Timang, and it's a bit damp today, but we've got loads of amazing visibility that we couldn't see the mountains yesterday. It was all obscured by clouds, so hopefully this cloud will stay at that high level. You can see a little bit of blue sky up there as well. So we're in Timang today, and the plan is to hike past Chamay all the way to Bratang. Both me and Mathi both did this trek last year, the Annapurna part of it, and we both found this amazing guest house, sort of a deluxe hotel in the middle of Bratang, and we both said we'd stay there again if we came back. So we're going to try and find it. It was an apple orchard with a hotel attached, and it was pretty special. It's probably going to be very expensive, but we'll see if they can give us a discount because it's off season. Most places are. So the trail today, again, nice and easy. Most of the eastern part of the Annapurna circuit has been turned into a road, so it's a little bit less exciting, but very easy trekking. Maps.me had it completely wrong. It was thinking that the trek to Bratang was going to dip down about 500 meters, then up 2,000 meters, but it wasn't anything of the sort. It was pretty much flat all the way, so we did it in not very long at all. It said it was going to take something like 13 hours, but it took about 5 hours. We've checked into this amazing guest house, which even by Western standards is pretty damn posh. It's expensive, but we are going to splash out a little bit and have a rest day here tomorrow, and put our feet up and probably have a drink as well.